Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing fast. Set seat and mirrors to minimize head movement and adopt a firm, upright posture so your eyes stay at the road horizon. Once done, silence your phone and place it face down or in the glove box. Do not rely on voice only. Load your route and preview the next turn. Make sure your ETA and a planned stop are visible so you won't fumble mid-trip. These actions remove common interruptions and get you focused immediately. Now sustain attention through deliberate scanning. Check mirrors for 2-3 seconds and look 6-8 seconds ahead down the road to anticipate changes. Once done, pace comfort needs. Schedule short checkpoints at safe stops for hydration or snacks so you don't force attention-dividing actions while driving. Use a simple mental checklist: breath steady, mirror scan, hazard sweep, to reset focus after any distraction. Make sure to adjust speed. As you finish, park deliberately and run a 30-second post-drive check. Mirrors, surroundings, and your mental state. This closes the attention loop. If you feel distracted mid-drive, pull over to a safe spot, reset your phone and environment, and only return when focused. For quick recovery, take deep breaths, step out for a short stretch, or have one moderate caffeine dose if needed. Make sure it won't impair judgment. These final steps keep focus consistent and give you a clear remedy when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.